to you, sir, madam. I am Juliet Insigni, 36 years old. I have 3 children. I am married. I am a graduate of midwifery.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Juliet. How are you today?
Sir, madam, I am fine, thank you.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
I think, sir, madam, the right attitude of a good domestic helper is being responsible, trustworthy, patient, and hardworking.
Can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of children?
Sir, madam, I think the proper way of taking care of children are giving them the nutritious foods, giving them the vitamins, bathing them, playing with them, tutoring them, and loving them as my own kids.
Okay, what if you commit mistakes? What to do?
Sir, madam, I ask for forgiveness and I promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me. I will promise to be a good domestic helper for the benefit of my family and for my future, and so that we will have no problem. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Miss Juliet, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.